In this video, I will show you how to create a new project in Angular. So this is my Visual Studio. I have selected a folder created on my local directory, that is Angular app. I'll show you the location of this folder. I'll go to File, go to Open Folder. Here I have created the new folder on my local directory. So I'll select this folder and I will open it in my Visual Studio. For creating a new project, I'll go to Terminal. I'll open the command prompt. So I'll select this option, Terminal. I'll select a new terminal. So my command prompts gets open. So the terminal window can be opened by shortcut key. So the shortcut keys are Control plus backticks. I'll show you. I'll close this. That is Control plus backticks on your keyboard. So the backticks key you'll find below the escape key. So I'll enter the command to generate a new project, that is ng new and project name. So my project name would be Hello World. I'll hit enter. So it will ask, would you like to add Angular routing, yes or no? Yes, I need Angular routing, so I'll press yes. It will ask for the style sheets would you prefer, like CSS, SCSS, Sass, less, stylus. So I'll select CSS from this option. So my project gets compiled. So we'll wait for the project to get compiled. It has been compiled and you will get the folder structure on this left hand side scroll bar. So this is my folder structure which has been generated after the compilation of the project. So you'll have node modules folder, source folder, app. In app folder you'll find a routing, module.ts file, CSS file which is used to assign the style sheets to our HTML page, then HTML page which is used to structure our DOM element, spec file which is used to for testing purpose, and TS file which is used to implement the business logic, and this main module file is used to import all the libraries. Then package.json file you will find here to import all the necessary packages to our running application. Then from here I have to navigate this project on my local host. So I'll select the path of this Hello World app. So I will select CD. I'll hit enter. So that I have been navigated to my Hello World folder. Now for generating the project on port 4200, I will enter the command ng serve. This will start the compilation of the project and will open our app in localhost port 4200. We will wait for the project to run. So you'll find that the project has been compiled and you'll find the port number which is specified here. 4200. So our project is listening on the localhost 4200. So I'll copy this URL from here. I'll go to my browser and I will paste the URL here and I'll press enter. My project gets opened in the browser. Okay. Thank you friends. Bye.